Hello everybody, I am the Chubby Gourmet here in a beautiful evening in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Welcome to our Puerto Rican tour, which begins now. If you like what you see, as always, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, smash that notification bell so you know when we upload new content, which is every week. If you're new to our family, welcome. We are very happy to have you here, and thank you to all our subscribers for your support. Greatly appreciated. We couldn't have the channel without you guys. So without further ado, let's start chowing it down. We are about to try some open markets. There's loose, one after the other. One market, one stand, one after one. It's mind-blowing. It just goes on for miles, not exaggerating. These look like a type of croquette. I'm not sure, I haven't bit into it to see what it is yet. One of these is filled with meat, the other is with cangrejo, which is crab. And that's just a piece of bread. And these are basically chicken kebab, pinchos. That looks delicious. And we're also gonna down some medalla, which is a Puerto Rican beer. We're in Puerto Rico. When in Rome, do like the Romans. So I'm gonna open my beer first, because first things first. And instead of starting with the food, I'm gonna start with the cerveza. Very tasty. It's a lager, yet another lager. A nice distinct taste to it. I like it. And it's a light beer, which helps us chubby ones. First, I'm gonna start with the soroiro, which is maize or cornmeal, crusted, and I'll see what it's crusting. Wow, it's like a sweet cornbread in the shape of like a mozzarella stick. Interesting. A little sweet too. I wasn't expecting that. Next, alcapuras. One of these is crab or cangrejo, another is meat. And I'm not gonna know until I bite into it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now that I got to the filling, I can tell plainly it's the meat, beef. Let's try the crab next. I think I like the ground meat better. It's not bad. Very filling. I'm going to eat the chicken pincho now. It's a kebab, basically, a chicken kebab. I'm not sure what kind of sauce that is on there. We'll find out in a moment. Rather than use utensils, they typically hold the stick like so. Interesting. It's like a smoky barbecue sauce. Man, this is good. This has been really good so far. Well, we've been eating at Restaurante y Picache in Loiza section of San Juan. For dessert, I'm having their pina colada, which I'll be comparing. I'm not going to tell you yet, but I'll be comparing it in a day or two to the pina colada at an establishment, La Barricina. All right, I told you. Where allegedly the pina colada was invented in 1963. But I want to have this one because so far their barbecue sauce for that kebab, I'll call it a kebab because that's what it was just really, really good. And for me to go on about barbecue sauce, it has to be good. I'm going to try this pina colada and we have something to compare it to. It's more heavy, I guess, with all that cream. It's different from pina coladas I've had because I'm not used to with this cream on it and mixed in with it. Very tasty though, and it is like a dessert with alcohol. The best kind of dessert. Nice and cold, delicious, refreshing. We had our first food in Loiza, San Juan, Puerto Rico. And I gotta say, it was really freaking delicious. It was great. The beer was great. This type of pina colada, which I've never had with the crema, the cream in top before. Everything was a pleasant surprise. And the cost is amazingly inexpensive. And San Juan is not known to be a cheap place. Tomorrow, we're gonna continue the tour. We're going to be trying authentic Puerto Rican cuisine, things like mondongo, pastelón, things like that, which I'm really looking forward to. Words cannot describe how much I'm looking forward to this. So we had an exciting start. If you like what you see, please help the algorithm, help our channel. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So every Friday afternoon when we upload a new episode, you're made aware that it's been uploaded. And until next time, hasta lasagna.